Hi everyone, and welcome back to another ANTSIG how-to. Today we will be showing you how to use the RJ45 crimper. The crimper has the ability to crimp 4P, 6P or 8P modular plugs. It also features a blade for stripping cables and a blade for trimming wires. Today we will demonstrate the use of this tool by wiring a modular 8P 8C connector. To use the cable stripper, place your cable here, squeeze, remove the tool and pull off the PVC cover from the cable. Line up the cables according to either A or B standard, and then, to trim the wires evenly, place them here as shown and clamp down to cut. Once the wires are placed firmly inside and the PVC outer layer is anchored inside the plug, insert the connector into the 8P socket and squeeze the tool. This will secure the wires and cable in place. It is the same procedure for 6P and 4P telephone cables. Just choose the corresponding socket on the tool. For any more questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact numbers at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.